Alright, this is Blackout's Super Stock 1 minute tips. This was at $65 not 10 minutes ago. There's such a run of Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin investing. And this is real time. No stock is doing this shit. This is I made $1 off of I put $50 in here. And it's up to 71. Look at it, it's going up. Okay, so here's your day. Okay, it hit a little bump there, but I mean, this is just today. It's up 13%. So if you throw $1,000 in here, you would have $1,130 in one day. So you're making $130 for doing nothing. If you throw $10,000 in there, you'd make $1,300 for doing nothing. And this is gonna keep running, because believe me, I know Bitcoin. It's at 33,000 now. It's expected to go up to about 100,000. I don't know any stock that goes up this fast. I mean, look at my stock. I'm gonna get rid of the stocks. This is stocks. And as you can see, this always happens after the holidays. They all go with kaputski. But if I look at the stocks, the only one that's doing well is Tesla. Everything else is shit. So why even leave money in here? Look, I mean, this has been sitting here forever, and I've made a whopping $1.45. I just made for $106. So I'm gonna, as soon as the market opens tomorrow, I'm getting rid of that and dumping it all into Bitcoin. Now, they say you shouldn't have all your eggs in one basket, but Bitcoin is such a basket that right now it's the time to do that, because it's doing nothing. So I might keep the Tesla, because Tesla's doing super well, but everything else, they're going. It's just sitting there. You'd think Amazon would be going up because everyone's ordering, but it's not. It's actually going down. See, it's just too much money in it already. It's a $1.6 trillion market cap. So going back, so if you take that out, let's go now. Okay, we were just looking at Bitcoin. What was I at? $70. Okay, so it's 71 now, and it keeps going up. It'll take a little dip. Right there you go. Boom, 96 cents. I mean, this is $1.7104. It'll take a little dip and it'll go back down. 71.10. I wish I had more liquidity right now. I would dump everything I have other than necessities, your bills, any money that's in bank accounts, anything. I would fucking dump in here. Look at this. 30 cents in the time that I'm showing you this video. 35 cents, 34 cents. So imagine you have 1,000 or 10,000 in there. Ridiculous. And you can pull it out immediately. If you use Cash App, you could fucking pull it out. You're not stuck with this trading bullshit where your money sits in these fucking loops. Look at this. Look at this fucking shit. It's just, money's just coming in. And this is nothing. This is a nothing investment. God, I wish I had these apps back when I was mining the Bitcoin. All right, well, that's it, man. If you have cash, liquid cash in bank accounts, I would take a good chunk. Take 1,000 that you can afford to lose. You're not going to lose, but take 1,000, play with it. If you have 5,000, put that in there. And you'll wake up and you'll have $300 from nothing. Or probably more than that. You'll have it's going up so much per day. I mean, look at per week. 25% return per week. You'll double your money in a month. 5,000 will turn into 75%. But I have a feeling that's going to go, because this curve is fucking shooting exponentially, because people are getting tired of currency. They're getting tired of the government. Bitcoin is the shizzle.